Okay, in this very short lesson I'm going to show you how to play C major scale on the ukulele. So without further ado, here's the scale. Now the scale starts off by playing a C note, and that's on string number 3, and that's open. And then we're going to play the 3rd string 2nd fret, the open 2nd string, the 1st fret 2nd string, 3rd fret 2nd string, open 1st string, 2nd fret 1st string, and then the 3rd fret 1st string. Okay, so one more time. It's the open 3rd string, 2nd fret 3rd string, open 2nd string, 1st fret 2nd string, 3rd fret 2nd string, open 1st string, 2nd fret 1st string, and 3rd fret 1st string. Let's try that backwards. So 3rd fret 1st string, 2nd fret 1st string, open 1st string, 3rd fret 2nd string, 1st fret 2nd string, open 2nd string, 2nd fret 3rd string, then the open 3rd string. So forwards and backwards without stopping.